Hey, General Explorer here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install this AUTO-VOX Digital Wireless Backup Camera Kit. I did an installation video for their big 10-inch mirror, rear view mirror thing that I installed on a Mini Winnie, and the AUTO-VOX company really liked that, so they sent me this, asked me if I'd do another installation video for them for how to install this. So I'm going to be installing this on my Silverado pickup, and I'll be walking you through the process. But let's go ahead and break the box open here and see what we got here, just to do a standard unboxing thing. Open it up here. You know that when I'm taking the packaging off, that I don't even know what I'm getting when I open this up. Here, let's see. Oh, got a little plastic thing right here. Cut that off. Okay. Come on out there. Come on guys. Come on, box. Airtight, boy. Got the little welcome instruction manual. Let's pull out this. Feels nice, well made. Feels solid, doesn't feel like a cheap piece of plastic. Of course, AUTO-VOX, they are a higher class company, make pretty high-end products here. Got a couple of clamps, the no-cut clamps to clamp it on there, some zip ties. This is your wireless backup transmitter right here. You've got your USB power cable right there. This is your mounting cup clasp. Alright. Ooh, that is sticky. I think that's made to stick onto your dashboard instead of the window, because it's actually sticky there. What is this here? And this is going to be the backup camera itself. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, that looks like a pretty substantial camera there. Alright, well, that's what's in the box. Just to kind of give you an idea there and spread that all out. Now, I'll go outside and start working on it, and I'll walk you through the steps of how to install this thing. Okay, step one, we're going to put the camera, or the rear camera, on the back of the vehicle. You can put it anywhere you want to. It'll stick on. It's got double-sided sticky tape here, or you can put it underneath, however you want. I like to put it over the license plate because when I'm hooking up a trailer, I want to see right here, and I don't want any obstacles. And if you put it underneath here, this is going to be an obstacle. So right here is your best view. So all I'm going to do, I could stick it to the license plate, but you know, for future, when you change out your license plate and stuff, I think it's just better just to use a screw. So I'm going to take this screw out here. I'm going to put this back here, behind it, out of the way. Get my screw in there. And tighten it up. Good, now it's attached permanently, or it can be removed later on. Okay, so you can adjust the camera up and down to your preferred angle. When I get the front camera installed and powered up, I'll come back here and adjust it, and then we can use this little screw right here to tighten it up and lock it into place. Okay, step two, we've got to connect these wires. This is a remote transmitter right here, and this goes into there like that, but we're going to hook it up later. We've got to hook this wire right here into power, and the power we need is going to be the reverse light, because we want the camera to only come on whenever we're going in reverse. It's a backup camera, and it'll automatically power up whenever we put the car into reverse, because the reverse lights come on. And so we're going to go over and take the tail light off and hook this up. Okay, this is a 2011 Silverado HD 2500 or 2500 HD. So you're going to have to find out how to get your tail light out. So, you know, on each car it's going to be different, but basically there'll be a way to get it out. You just have to find the screws. On this case, it just takes, you got to take out 2 Phillips screws on the side here. Okay, the light comes out like that, and we're ready to access the reverse light. Okay, the kit's going to come with a couple of quick connect wire connectors here that are going to allow you to connect the wire without the need to cut the wire. They'll just quick clamp right on there. So in this case, on the 2011 Silverado, the green and the black wire here is the reverse light. So we're going to connect the red to the green wire and the black to the black wire in this case. So all we need to do here is line these up together. Okay, so we're working in tight quarters here, but all you got to do is put that over there, push your red wire in so you see it come out. Then using a pair of pliers like my Gerber multi-tool here, grab and push over and down until this is all the way flush, and then bring your clamp over and go ahead and clamp it all the way down. And that's going to hold that into place. Alright, now we're going to do the same exact thing with the black wire. I like to spread these a little bit right here because it's kind of hard to get them in to this spot right here. Just make it a little easier on myself. Going to bring this up. Okay, put the black wire all the way to the back, then bring the connecting wire here and insert it. There's two holes in this thing. All the way, and once again crimp it down all the way. It's going to cut through the casing on the wire. Once it's crimped in there, just go ahead and lock it all the way on over like that. Okay, now that's connected. Okay, so this wire is from the camera that we attached in step 1 over to the license plate. Okay, so all we're going to do is, because this was long enough to come over here, in your case it may not be, and they provided extra wire in case it's extra long for you, but for me it was short enough to reach all the way over here. So looking down in here, you see there's a key right there's a little key on that. So all we're going to do is line those two up and push that together. And alright, so we've connected it up, and we want everything to be pretty tight. They provided us with some zip ties here. We've got to find something to zip tie it to. In your case, it'll be something different. I'm just going to zip tie it to this cable right here so it doesn't fall out. We want to keep it as protected from the weather as possible. Up in this pocket right here should be good for most cases. If you're going to be doing a lot of off-roading and mudding and stuff, probably would be recommended to wrap it up in some type of waterproof casing. But we're just going to zip tie it right there to that. Okay. And now we're ready to put the tail light back up. So just going to make sure that no wires are in the way here. Okay, so now we got to figure out where to put the little screen at. You can put it anywhere you want. It comes with this little suction cup mounting base. I'm going to put it right up here. I like it right up here in the corner, out of the way. I don't like it on the dash or by the rear view mirror, just taking up more room. So I just kind of put it up here where it's going to be totally out of the way. The way you put it on is you have your suction cup here, and has these little hooks, and you just put it up in there, and that's how that's going to go. I'm going to turn this around, put it up like this, and just stick it right up here. Like that. Okay, so now the wire is here. Go ahead and plug in your the power adapter, and it comes with plenty of wire to route it around however you want. For right now, I'm just gonna hook it up like this. Find the little key slot, and it goes all the way in. It turns on there. Okay. All right, guys, so now it's installed, ready to go, and ready to test it out. Let's see if everything we did works. So the first thing to test it out, you got to plug it in, to plug the power adapter into the power outlet. The red light shows that the unit is on, ready to be activated. So we will first turn the vehicle on. Now put the vehicle into reverse, and that should activate the camera. And there it is right there, ready to go. We have our guidelines back there that shows us the safe distance. Green is safe, yellow is danger, red is you already hit something. I can see my ball hitch there. That will allow me to easily back up and hook to boats and trailers and stuff like that. Can see a couple hundred yards into the distance, and pretty wide angle there, so it works really good. Let's see here. Put it into park. It turns off. Put it into reverse, and takes about a second for it to come on, ready to go. Works really good, guys. So that's all there is to it. It's not that hard to do. Anyone can do it. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, this product and other things used in this video I'll have links to them in the description of the video. Under the video, just click on the Show More button and you can see those. Also, connect with me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Those links will be in the description of the video also, so you can connect with me on those. And if you ever need help with any of the products that I do and during installation or anything like that, don't hesitate to leave me a comment or send me a message on Facebook, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and help you if I can. So until next time, guys, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.